Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to put some LED headlights in the 07 Yukon. So, put some LED headlights and fog lights in the Yukon, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I got the truck up in the air, and I'll show you a comparison of the LED fog lights. So I'm going to insert that right here. Compared old and new, the fog lights are really easy to get to replace the bulbs in them. You can get to them up underneath the bumper. I don't know if you guys can see up in there, but there's a hole you can get to the fog light bulb, and there's once it's installed. So they look pretty nice. I'll go ahead and switch them on for you. So they look nice and blue. You see my headlights fogging up because I've had no bulb working. So the bulb actually helps reduce the condensation inside the headlight. So I got the driver's side ones out. And that's what the passenger side looks like one now compared to the LED. So we're gonna get to it. What you need is a 10mm and a 7mm. You want to release all these little bolts along the top here for your grill, just so you got a little bit of room for it to flex. And then you got a 10mm here, 10mm there. And then what we're going to do is turn the wheel and remove the 7 there, 2 clips, and another 7. So we'll get to it once I get some of the stuff apart, and then I'll show you. Once I get that driver's side one in, I'll show you a comparison of the passenger side. So not too hard to do, just a little time consuming. We got access to a lift, that helps out for sure, especially just, you know, being able to get at it better. So got my buddy's toolbox. No, it's not mine, but it's super sweet. So I'm super respectful of it and thankful that he lets me use it. But if you want to know what an organized toolbox looks like, here it is. And of course the monster fridge that you guys might see in the past videos. But we're gonna get to it. I'll start getting this apart, and then get you guys tuned in once I got this side apart. Side in already. You can see it's way brighter than the other side. So that's the LED. That's the regular light. So definitely a lot more light. One thing, when I pulled the old bulb out, the gasket was stuck on the headlight. So when I went to put the new bulb in, it just wouldn't seat right. So the biggest thing is you don't want to force anything. Just take your time. But as you can see, it's pretty easy to get to once you get that apart. You got plenty of room to stick your hand down in there and get to the bulbs right there. You guys can see it in the video. There you go. So pretty easy. Not too bad. So I'll get this side back together. I just wanted to make sure it works before I go putting it back together, and then we'll get on the other side. So I got this side out. Excuse me. So this side I went in and videoed it for you so you can see how this gasket gets stuck on here. So when you go to put the new bulb in, you don't peel that guy off. And when you go to put the new headlight bulb in, it won't seat right. So they just turn and lock in there and you'll get stuck. So yeah, and then the other bolt holds this little section in right here. So just wanted to show you guys while it was fully pulled out. So this is for a 2007 to 2014 Yukon. You know, mine, they're all the same. So it's a 10 millimeter, 7 millimeter little pry tool to pull the clips out and be easy to be able to get in and out. So just wanted to show you guys that real quick. You know, it's not too hard to do. Just take your time. You know, you probably do it all, and you know, I'm maybe like 20-30 minutes in right now and I already got one side done. You know, if you go to the dealer, it's probably gonna cost you $150 in labor just to get both headlight bulbs, plus the bulbs are probably $25-30 a piece. So you're gonna spend $212. I think I got the LED headlight kit. I got it on Amazon. It's the brand I went with. So I'll put a link down below. Had really good reviews on it. They seem to fit well so far. And then same thing with the fog light bulbs. I'll put a link down below. But once I get them finished installed, I'll pull it out and then I'll show you guys what they look like with them all on. So stay tuned. Alright guys, what you think? So, some LED upgrades. Nice and bright and white versus that yellow tint, so pretty stoked. My OBS in the background, so if you guys are just checking in, welcome to An Auto Addiction. I do a lot of videos on my Yukon. I got the OBS truck over there. Please subscribe to the channel. If you got any comments, comment below. If you got any questions, list them down below. Please hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. And if you guys have any questions on the Yukons, just let me know. Mine's the Denali, so it's got a 6.2 in it. There's other ones that come with a 5.3, but I'm pretty knowledgeable on both of them, so just hit me up if you got any questions. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked. They look pretty good, so let me know what y'all think. Appreciate everybody watching. See you guys on the next video. Please subscribe to the channel. Check out my other videos too. Got an 86 Cutlass project too, so if you're a GM guy, got a Ford project. So we're always doing something on the channel, so appreciate it. You guys have a great day. And shout out to my buddy Matt for letting me use this toolbox. This thing is awesome. I'll get those tools cleaned up, put back where they would go. and I'll be out of here for the night. So see you guys on the next one. Peace.